eat you. Look, she's looking at you like, what the heck? What are you guys doing?
Oh, my fingers wet. Mommy, can I have one? Are they okay? Mama, can I have one? Mama, can I have one? Please?
For these lovely prices.
Please, for Christmas, please. They both love me. I both want them, and
You both want them?
I want them both. Can I please have them? Both of them. Please. I don't care how much they cost. I will steal them if I have to.
And then?
What? I will. But look how adorable they are. They think I'm their mom. And I'm going to become their mom. If you buy them for me. Oh, I'm going to tip your head.